was raised with a mother who's an artist.
I've always enjoyed
Okay, my inspiration, my blood
as a young child.
project.
Imagine the elegant glimmer of a Swarovski crystal, coming to life in a shining array of luscious colors. Introducing Eye Candy, a dazzling new product from Creative Imaginations. A perfect way to make any project sparkle, you will be drawn to the fabulous quality and colors of the Swarovski crystals. The gems come in a sparkling spectrum of 15 colors and 2 different sizes, allowing you to pick and choose the crystals that work best for your project. The fashionable colors are sought after and difficult to find in craft stores, and you can rest assured that when you buy crystallized Swarovski elements, you are buying a quality product that is above and beyond anything you can find in other stores. From gifts to accessories and everything in between, the options for Eye Candy are boundless. You provide the idea and we'll provide the shimmer. Make your merchandise sparkle with Eye Candy from Creative Imaginations.
I was raised with a mother who's an artist.
I've always enjoyed
Okay, my inspiration, my blood
as a young child.
project.